Hello, fourth grade friends. Mrs. O'Hara Langer here, or Mrs. Olinger, as I like to be called, and I am super excited to welcome you back to school in just a few short days. This year, our theme at Brookside is Disney, and our classroom theme is Toy Story, mostly because I like the song You've Got a Friend in Me. This year, because of COVID, all students will need their own supplies, so pencils, markers, crayons, scissors, glue sticks, and a pencil box to put them in, preferably labeled. Our room does not have desks, we have tables, but our chairs will have pockets on the back of them for the students to store their books and folders, and hopefully those pencil boxes will fit in there too. I know this year looks a little bit different from what we're used to, but I know that we're going to make it a great year. I can feel it. It's going to be a great year. So enjoy those last few days of summer, and I will see you soon. Bye, friends.